NVIDIA Corporation, NASDAQ, NVDA, a notable player in the technology sector, specifically within the semiconductor industry, has been navigating through a phase of volatile consolidation. This has been manifested through higher lows in its price, RSI, Relative Strength Index, and MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicators, suggesting a potential bullish momentum. Holding its support level amidst market fluctuations reflects a level of resilience. The news sentiment around NVDA is relatively strong at 65%, which could further bolster investor confidence. Despite the positive indicators, a stop loss at $430 is prudent to manage downside risk. New Holdings Ltd. NYSE, NU, operating in the financial sector and part of the consumer finance industry, has been holding its support level indicative of a steady price floor. The long MACD base and higher lows portray a building momentum further underscored by the RSI trending upwards. The technical chart showcases a cup and handle pattern, often a precursor to bullish momentum, however. The news sentiment is less encouraging at 37%. This divergence in sentiment and technical analysis warrants a careful approach. A stop loss at 7 is advised to mitigate potential losses. For additional insights, support and subscribe to Quant Sync.